Hi, how are you today, Emma?
I'm fine, Mia. How are you?
I'm good. What are you doing?
Nothing special. I'm just sitting at home.
Me too. I'm feeling a little bored.
I understand. I've been bored all day.
We need to do something fun.
Yes, we do.
Do you have any ideas?
Not really. Do you?
I was thinking about going out somewhere.
That sounds nice.
What about planning a picnic?
A picnic?
That's a wonderful idea.
I'm glad you like it. I love picnics. They are always fun.
Me too.
We can enjoy nature and spend time together.
Yes,
And we can relax away from our daily routine.
exactly.
When should we go?
How about this Sunday?
Sunday sounds perfect.
Great. We have enough time to prepare.
Yes. First, we need to decide where to go.
That's true.
Do you know any good places?
There is a beautiful park near the lake.
I've heard about that place.
It has lots of trees
And open space.
that sounds perfect for a picnic. There is also a walking path around the lake.
Really?
I would love to walk there.
The view is amazing.
Then let's go there.
Done. The park near the lake it is.
What time should we leave?
I think we should leave early.
Why early?
The weather is cooler in the morning.
That's true.
We can also spend more time there.
Good point.
How about 8 o'clock in the morning?
That works for me.
Great. How will we get there?
We can go by scooter.
That's a good idea. It will save time.
Yes. And it will be more convenient.
Exactly.
Now, let's talk about food. My favorite topic.
I knew you would say that.
Food is very important for a picnic.
I agree.
What should we bring?
We can make sandwiches.
I love sandwiches. They are easy to carry and easy to eat. We can make vegetable sandwiches. Sounds delicious. We should also bring fruits. Good idea. Which fruits do you like? I like apples and bananas.
Me too.
Grapes would be nice as well.
Yes, grapes are perfect for a picnic.
Should we bring some snacks?
Of course.
What kind of snacks? Chips, biscuits, and cookies. That sounds great. Do you want something sweet too?
Yes, maybe some chocolates.
Good idea.
What about drinks?
We should carry plenty of water.
Definitely.
We can also bring some fruit juice.
Orange juice would be nice.
I agree.
Maybe homemade lemonade too.
That's even better.
It will be very refreshing.
Yes,
Especially if the weather is warm.
so we have decided to go on a picnic.
Yes, I'm really excited about it.
Me too.
Now we need to choose the perfect place.
That's right.
Do you know any nice places nearby? I know a few places. Tell me about them. There is a beautiful park near the lake. I've heard about that park. It's very clean and peaceful. That sounds wonderful. There are many trees and flowers there. I love places with lots of trees. The air feels fresh there. That's exactly what we need. There is also a walking path around the lake. Really? Yes. People enjoy walking there. I would love to take a walk around the lake. Me too. What other places do you know? There is a garden in the city center. Is it nice? It is nice, but it is usually crowded. I don't want a crowded place. Neither do I. I want a quiet place where we can relax. Then the lake park is a better choice. I agree. We can sit near the water and enjoy the view. Amazing. We can also take some beautiful pictures. Yes! I love taking pictures. The lake looks beautiful in the morning. Then we should go early. That's a good idea. What time do you think we should leave? Maybe around 8 in the morning? That works for me. Great. Is there enough space to sit there? Yes, there is plenty of space. Perfect. We can spread our picnic blanket under it.
A tree. That would be wonderful. The weather is usually nice there.
That's good to hear.
We can enjoy the fresh air. I need some fresh air after a busy week. Me too. Is the park crowded? Not very crowded in the morning. Then we should go early. I agree. Maybe around 8 o'clock? That's a good time. We will have the whole day to enjoy. Exactly. Can we walk around the lake? Of course. I would love that. There is a nice walking path. Great. We can also take some pictures. I always take lots of pictures. Me too. We should take a lot of selfies. Definitely. What else can we do there? We can watch the birds. I enjoy bird watching. We can also sit quietly and relax. That sounds perfect. Sometimes it's nice to do nothing. You're right. Just enjoy nature and relax. I already feel excited. Me too. I think the lake park is the best choice. I think so too. Then our location is decided. Yes, we're going to the lake park. I can't wait. Neither can I. This is going to be a wonderful picnic. Absolutely. Now let's talk about the food. Yes, that's my favorite part. Mine too. Let's make a delicious picnic menu.
What should we bring? We should bring sandwiches. That's a great idea. Sandwiches are easy to carry and easy to eat. Exactly. What kind of sandwiches should we make? Vegetable sandwiches would be nice. I like vegetable sandwiches. Me too. We can make plenty of them. Yes, so we won't be hungry. What about fruits? We should definitely bring fruits. Which fruits do you like? I like apples and grapes. I love grapes. Bananas are good too. They are healthy and filling. Exactly. Should we bring some oranges? That's a good idea. Fresh fruits always taste good outdoors. I agree. What about snacks? We need snacks. Of course. We can bring chips. Everyone likes chips. We can also bring cookies. I love chocolate chip cookies. Me too. Should we bring some crackers? Yes, that would be nice. Great. What should we drink? Water is very important. Definitely. We should bring several bottles. That's a good idea. What about juice? Orange juice sounds perfect. I love orange juice. Me too. We could also bring lemonade. Homemade lemonade would be amazing. It will keep us cool, especially if it's sunny. That's true. Should we bring some sweets? Why not? Maybe some chocolates. Good idea. Or maybe a small cake. A cake sounds wonderful. We can share it together. That would be fun. Should we prepare lunch too? Yes, I think we should. What can we make? How about some rice? Rice is a good choice. We can make vegetable rice. That sounds delicious. It will be easy to carry and easy to serve. We can bring some yogurt too. Yogurt goes well with rice. Exactly. I think our menu is looking great. I agree.
We have sandwiches, fruits, snacks, and drinks, and rice, yogurt, and cake. Nobody will be hungry. Definitely not. I'm already thinking about the food. Me too. Everything sounds delicious. This picnic is going to be amazing. I can't wait. Me neither.